check this out. I leave for vacation. I come back to a big fat boom for the bulls. Wasn't much of a vacation, just a few days here. I come back, just walked in the door, fired up the machine, and now burning a video. That is one committed FTV analyst, if I say so myself. The Dow up 156 big ones. Check this out. We're up 1.6 on the Dow, NASDAQ 1.6, 1.8% on the S&P, 2.3 on the Russells. An itsy bitsy little nothing down day for the VIX. What's up with that? Why did the fear indicator not drop? Should have dropped more. But let's take a gander at the markets. Here we are, the S&P. We'll get to that MACD in a minute. The S&P, let's go back a couple days. This day, we broke down below an area that I said we were going to be bearish the market. And I went bearish right there. I'm bearish. I said expect a little bit of an update the very next day. Sure enough, there it is. I leave for vacation. This day, I'm at a small tour, and then I went to an aquarium. This day, I'm at a museum. This day, which is today, I'm driving back. What a rally. Here's a good time for us to talk. I brought it up a few times before. I want to talk about it again. Anytime you get a break down or a break out, you need to have a confirming second day more times than not. Or at least a bar. I haven't been looking at a day chart, so I said day. So we have a base here. We broke down. Well, bar number 1 holds a lot of weight, but not nearly as much weight as bar number 2. Next day, we get this. If we were going to have a huge sell-off, we should have made another lower low. We didn't do that. We actually made a bullish harami and almost a tweezers pattern and also kind of a thrusting pattern also. All in one, finding resistance here at the 20-day. We broke the moving averages, making a higher high, higher low. Who's in control? The bulls are in control. Boom! We break over that big trend line here. The active resistance here, hung up there. Support, 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 broke down. And then we broke back above it. Very bullish for it to do so. But I'm vacationing. I don't see any of this taking place. I don't care. Just spending time with the family. But we have all this resistance right here. It's going to be tough to get through. Not if you have a report on existing home sales come out by a whopping 7%. Mark my words on this. You will not see a 7% pop very many times in your lifetime. We got one. So that really helped to send the markets up. Now, this is day 1 or bar 1 over this base. See the base here? Bar 1. The question is, what will bar 2 bring us? Will we have follow through to the bull side here? If so, this could be a big rally, putting us all the way up to 1,045 areas resistance, and we could even go higher to this 154 to 156 area as being resistance. So we have some nice running that we could do right here. Let's look at this MACD. The MACD back here when I started going bearish in my own account. Now, mind you, I have stop losses on, so I stop out anything that goes against me. So those shorts now I'm out of. But I went short right here. MACD on a couple of the other indices that we had talked about were already sub-zero on the MACD. Here we were just starting to go. We had a big heavy tick on the histogram to the negative. I mean, everything was saying bearish, bearish, bearish. And then we get this big rally breaking these resistance. Now listen, you cannot be bearish this market. Be thinking bullish, bullish, bullish. As long as we continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Now, if we see an about face, and it's going to have to be a very impressive down leg to get me to think to be going bearish right now. So there we are. Have a wonderful Friday. Weekend edition will be out this weekend. Happy trading to each and every one of you. And I noticed that commenting has stopped, or at least slowed down horribly. Come on, gang. We want to hear from you. Comment down there at the bottom of the videos. Catch you later.